Hello friends, welcome back to Apex International. We know very well around 8,75,000 students they qualified for NEET examinations, and we have only 85,000 seats in India. So this is really a big mismatch over there. So everyone is having a dream, and especially though the student appearing for long-term examinations, they passed in long-term examinations, they do not have much option now. So they are very much worried about their dream may get broken, and they may be disappointed because their parents and the candidate, they had a dream to become a doctor. But I would like to tell, not exactly. You need not to feel demeaned, you need not to feel confused, you need not to feel yourself a kind of underweighted, where you feel that I am not able to get a seat in India. I tell you, there is a huge opportunity in foreign countries also. The foreign countries, especially those they are following and fulfilling the parameters of NMC, and they are allowed to take the students from India, those they completed NEET examination qualified, because once they complete from foreign university and come back to India, so for registration purpose it is very important to show the NEET score whether they are qualified. So this is the basic level. This is a kind of basic parameter made from NMC to just to get a student admitted in MBBS. We are dealing majorly with the Philippines, Malaysia, Russia, Ukraine, Georgia, and we are dealing with certain countries like Kazakhstan in Central Asia, and we are dealing with Uzbekistan, we are dealing with Armenia, and if we come to the Asian part, like eastern part, we are dealing with Bangladesh, and the South Asian part, as I told you, starting is Philippines. We have direct our contract with the university, where I personally myself visited the university. I spent around one month time over there, and now I know very well about all the aspect of universities, and trust me, thousands of students are studying there. They are happy that going to qualify their examinations, they're going to pass out their MD program over there, and afterward coming back to India, the FMG examination, which is going to be as exit exam from 2023. So this is also going to be, every student are getting ready for that also. So we are assuring all the parents and students integrated program, where in a couple of few years when they are going to finish their MD program in Philippines, another foreign country where it is MS or medicine course. So we are going to provide them a kind of additional course over there for this exit program. So we try to make sure that when they come back to India and they go for this qualifying examination for registration, we pray that, and we expect all our students, they may get succeed in first attempt itself.